Alright, I am extremely annoyed right now because this is one of those days where, I mean, it was fine, but for the past like hour it's been a bunch of little stuff going wrong. It just keeps adding up, so I'm pissed off. So this ride better go well and be enjoyable. I think I fixed the GoPro and put it in the right mode, but I know I said that last time and I didn't. So if this is still wrong, I'm gonna do some bad stuff. So let's hope it works. Otherwise, I have no clue what else to try. This time I put it in like I think it's called like activity mode or something. And it looked like a much wider lens, much bigger field of view, which is what I need. So this better hopefully be right. Also, I have it angled up a little bit more than I did, I believe. But I won't know for sure until I go home and put it onto my laptop. So right now I'm just going to meet up with Anna. We're gonna go riding. She only has like 45 minutes. I'm gonna put my turn signal on. Hopefully I don't get rear-ended. I'm just gonna say fuck it. Nice park job. They said fuck it too. So why not? Oh, she's right there anyways. Perfect. She looks like a newbie.
Highway?
If we go towards like Blairsville, it's a bunch of construction.
Okay, because I only have like a half hour.
Yeah.
So as long as you lead, I'm good.
Okay. Oh yes. Sure. Just send it. Man, I just love people. Let me tell you, I am the biggest people person I know, just because I love everybody so much. Oh, what are you? That's a CBR. Which one? Got like a full riding suit on. Imagine. No, I'm just kidding. I'm definitely not making fun of anybody that does that. I used to want one, then I saw how expensive they are. It's smart to ride like that. That's a double R. I don't know if it's 6 or 1,000. Probably 1,000. I doubt we're gonna get the green arrow, right? Because maybe. Okay. Well, whatever she did, got the green arrow. I guess yelling works. You know what? I'm just gonna give up. I haven't finished that thought anytime that I've started it, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Have potential to ride the next 2 days, depending on my schedule and the weather, and then I'll be gone for a week on vacation, followed immediately by surgery. My turn signal, that's what she was trying to say. My bad. Shit. I almost never do that. So I have vacation for a week, followed immediately by surgery. I wanted to take the bike to the beach because I'm headed to school so I can learn how to talk. Headed to North Carolina, so I wanted to get some videos down there, but it didn't work out. Logistically, we're just not gonna. It's gonna be a pain to get them down there, and it costs more in gas, so we just can't do it. But I'll be on vacation, and then I'm getting surgery that is putting me out of work for an entire month. So I'm not sure how much riding I'll be able to do afterwards because it's obviously gonna hurt. I'm gonna try to, especially since I have time off. Like I'm gonna try to use that to go riding, but I'm not sure how like uncomfortable I'll be. So it depends on that. If I'm comfortable enough to go riding, then there should be plenty of videos. But if it hurts too much, then I'm kind of screwed. There's there's a little bit of hair hanging down in front of my eye, and it's driving me nuts. I was also planning on putting the old GoPro here just for the second angle thingy, but I was in a hurry, so that did not work out. Maybe tomorrow if I go. Asshole. Didn't even wave back. What a dick. Just your friendly neighborhood. I don't even know which word to pick. You guys like my shirt? It's Mona Lifta. I'm cutting that out. Gotta have a, oh my, so much litter. That's why I hate people. Give her a couple minutes. I kind of want to learn how to do those. I've been seeing them a lot on Instagram lately. It's kind of like a, I don't know what else to call it besides like a bunny hop that people will do on their bikes. It's just a quick little like comes up off the, you know what a bunny hop is, yeah. Like I kind of want to learn how to do it. I don't know. I feel like I don't know what to do. I think you have to like gun it and pull up at like the perfect time or something. That's my guess. I mean that just sounds like a wheelie, so I don't know how they do it. They pull up and then push it. I don't know. I'm just a simple. This is like the perfect time of year to ride because you don't have leaves all over the ground, but you do have nice scenery. I mean, I still like the fall scenery, but I don't like the leaves all over the ground. I don't like when it gets really chilly, stuff like that. So this is nicer a little bit. It's also lighter, longer, much later. Not as scenic yet, I guess, but also not as dangerous. What are you doing? She's talking to the donkey. All right. And I waved at the cow, but I didn't pull over to talk to it. I kind of want that. I kind of fucking sound like that guy, Elmer Fudd or whatever. I think. I don't know. I'm like 12. I don't really know those shows. I honestly think I'm ready for Isle of Man. Watch this knee drag. Look at that, dude. I was practically elbow scraping. Puggles. Do you have more time?
Yeah, probably like 15 minutes.
How many?
Like 15. It's gonna mark on my chest.
Yeah.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
You have a big red spot.
A freaking rock this big. And nailed me right in the chest, and I literally almost started crying, and it hurts so bad. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, I can see it.
It hurts.
Should have worn armor. Oh shit. Hi. Oh my God. I almost hit her. Ninth health. I will go slow for your child so that I'm not too loud. She's already crying. I don't want to make it worse for you. Been there. She's back there shaking her head no at me for doing that.
Dude that was shirtless back there, I said, "Bitch,
Oh,
you were fanning yourself," and I was like, "Bitch, hey, what's your bike at?"
216?
210, I'm doing good.
What's going on up here? Dogs. Dog. Dogs. Oh. Oh my God, that was the worst place to do that. Oh, that was horrible. Why did I? Oh. Ow. That hurts so bad. Oh man. Right in the Jim Carreys. She's in the wrong lane. I'll kick you. Oh. Ow, that hurt my hip flexor. Ah, I'm old. Why is it pink? No comprendo. Sneaking up.
I don't actually need food, I just need to stop because I need to see how far away this place is.
Oh.
If it's too far, I'm not going to have my phone. What? What were you pointing at?
Why is it pink?
Because I'm gay?
Oh. Well, that explains.
How are you nutsack? It works!
It hurts.
222, son of a
Now you got 2 seats.
No.
Oh. I don't like that.
Oh, that's not good. How do I put that thing back in there?
What? Is your pin out?
really weak now. What the hell?
I just
I'm not freaking.
work out like twice a week.
It hurts. Ow! Is it bleeding?
No, just red. It looks like a rash.
It burns. It was burning so bad when the air was hitting it. I was like, ah!
You should have dodged it. Should have dodged it.
Literally, like, right as I saw it, it whacked me in the freaking neck. And I was like, oh yeah, that's, wow, that must have been pretty big. What?
Nothing.
You've never heard that before?
Nope.
Yeah, figured. Oh my god, why do you have a picture of me in your shirt?
Oh, it's wrinkled.
It's me.
No. Oh.
My bicep.
What'd you just say?
They're not shocky. No, they don't absorb the shock.
I don't think bikes really do.
Yeah, they do.
Then why'd my
Because yours
stuff
probably
just get crushed?
Yours probably needs done too. Also, you ride like you're a freaking girl. You're like, I literally sit back like this. That way if I move forward.
That hurts my back because I gotta lean forward.
Then lean like down. Instead of like this. My goodness.
I just slide up automatically. I try to.
Because you don't got thick thighs.
No, I don't. I have a little.
Thick thighs save lives. They save your balls.
What?
Yeah, the gay guys, they take their freaking wieners back up into their butt crack. That's why they don't look like they have a baby. You didn't know that? Yeah, they literally like take their dicks like backwards.
Why?
So that they look like they're a girl and they look like they don't have a dick. That way, and if you want to hurt him, just slap him in the ass.
No, because they'd like it.
Oh.
They'd like that.
You're right.
Yeah. I'm not gonna. Oh no, don't drop your tings. You got shoes. Bitch! Now she's riding with her blinker on. I had one of those, but newer, and then I gave it away. That's a caught. Why would you accelerate? Hello? That was very warm. Good one, that shit. It's weird because it feels like moist. Like you put your hand in front of the GoPro. I think what's happening? Did the GoPro get full or some shit? I don't know. The GoPro just beeped at me, so there's no way it's full. I don't know what happened. But enjoy this picture of me talking. This picture while I talk, I guess. I'm not sure what happened with the GoPro, but I was headed home anyway, so I guess the timing works out. Thank you for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the editing. If you did, let me know with a like or comment, whatever you want to do. But again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.